Hello and welcome to a new Kubio tutorial. Today we're going to talk about backgrounds in Kubio. You can make background changes to columns, rows, sections, as well as the several advanced blocks, such as slider, carousel, counter, and more. The moment you make your block selection, you will notice an editing panel on the right. For background changes, you can head over either to Style or Advanced. The process is the same. Now, what you should pay attention to is the actual section or block selection. You can also use the breadcrumb view to identify how certain blocks are placed inside other blocks. I'm clicking on this accordion. It is placed inside a column. Here's the section that contains it. See how the name of the element is changing inside the editing panel as well. At the top we have the document. The more you move to the right, the more granular the items become. Here you can change the background color and type. The Kubio free plan allows you to use two background types, images and gradients. Inside the Pro plan you can also use video and slideshow as background. Let's start with changing the background color. You can pick a color from the current color scheme, choose one from the slider, or paste your own color code. You can even adjust the opacity of the color. You can revert the changes using the reset option. Now, let's go with the background image. In Kubio Pro, you can also add overlays to the background images you're using. You can go with color, gradient, and shape overlays. You can also adjust the overlay opacity. Another cool feature is the parallax option. You can also adjust the position of the image from the settings option here. Now, let's move to gradient backgrounds. There are 5 free gradients available and more than 100 in the Pro plans. There are 2 types of gradients that you can use, linear or radial. You can adjust your gradient by using the slider or the angle. When you click on the slider, you will be able to add more color points to the gradient. Just choose its color and set up its opacity. Now, let's take a look at video backgrounds. You can use both self-hosted and external videos. Mobile browsers usually disable video backgrounds to save bandwidth. Because of this, we advise you to set a video poster as well. You can also enable background overlays. If you select the slideshow background option, you will be able to add, remove, and reorder slideshow images. Next, you can set up the slide duration and the effect speed. Let's add some images to the slideshow. Don't forget to save the design changes. And that was all. You now know how to manage backgrounds in Kubio.